Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. In today's video you are going to be learning how to create a simple ReactJS application. Very simple and basic. So to get started, we are going to head down to Google, search React.js. So make sure you are connected to the internet. Click on get started, then go to create a new React app. Scroll down to where you have npx what create React my app. So over here you're going to discover that we have what npx as the module. So make sure you have npx installed on your computer, or if you're on Mac OS, make sure it's installed on your Mac. So let me check if it is installed on my own. I'm going to search terminal, then yeah, I'm going to type npx. So let me enter. So as you can see, I think I have npx. Let me do it again. Let me check it again. Control C, exists. Okay, good. So as you can see, I have npx. Npx is found, so is not giving issue. So in case your own is giving you an issue that is saying what is it called, command not found, so just open a new tab, download node, make sure you have node.js downloaded, make sure you have node.js. Now here I have this current version 60.16, so make sure it's downloaded on your computer. Then after that is done, then search for npx, then download npx from npm js package manager. So download it from here. As you can see, npm install, that is node install what npx. Once you have downloaded this package, then you have what we have now. Okay, so let me close here. So I'm going to go back to this place now, copy this command, Control C, then go to my folder, go to a particular place I want this software to be, this project to be. So I'm going to go to my documents, software, node.js. Under node.js, I'm going to create a new folder called react.js. So react.js. So under react.js, I'm going to open a new terminal at the folder. Okay, so over here I'm going to drop in what I copied from React's website. So I'm going to be creating a simple React app, which is called what's my app. Enter. So this is going to ask me some basic question. So I'll click yes. So this is going to initialize some basic data for me. So it's currently initializing. Okay, so it's still processing. I will pause this video, then resume once it's done. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, my React project has been created successfully. So I'm going to go into my folder now. Then we start using this command. So we have npm start, we have npm run build for production, and npm test if you want to start the test runner. Okay, so what we're going to be using basically is npm start and run build if you want to produce for production. Okay, so let's head down to the folder area, then drag the folder into my VS Code. So that's what I'm gonna do. Sorry, this is my WordPress short file, so I'm going to be dragging this folder into this place. Sorry, drag. Okay, that has been dragged. So let me take it up, click on trust, yes. Okay, so let me zoom my screen so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay, so in a normal simple React application, once you create a new project, you are going to be given package.json. Let me take it back a bit. So here you have your data. Here's my name, my version, dependency that I'm using, and also here is the script I will be running. So if I use npm start, it's going to run this build, test, and eject. So also you have other things that is being added for you, but the most important part of everything we have here is this script starting. That is just the basic things. So without further ado, let's dive straight to test this project. So I'm going to open my terminal, then I'm going to type npm start, so we can start running this. Now as you can see, it's trying to start the project, and the project has been started. Awesome. Awesome. Now as you can see, we have what? React loaded. Wow. So this is our first React application. So I'm going to be going back to the VS Code. So let me close my terminal. Then I'm going to go to public to edit what we have here. So we have this source code, source folder, and also app.js. Okay. Okay, so I will love to open it side by side. Let me do that side by side, so we see the changes real time. Let's do that side by side. Okay, so I'm going to go to the source folder. Under the source, we go to app.js. Okay, so let me close the sidebar. Now let's change this code. Let's update it to something different. Let me use h1. I love to use h1. So h1, I'm working. Wow, now as you can see, it loads. I'm working. This is amazing. This is amazing. So now let's try to create our own short components. Let me create a simple component over here. Let me create a simple component. So I'm going to create a new file. It's been a while I work with React actually, but I believe I can still do something. So let me create a new home page. So here I'm going to have home.js. So home.js, I'm going to be using RFC. So React JavaScript function. So with RFC, I will automatically import the function method, functional component method, instead of using the class. So I'll be using the functional component method. So here I'm going to be exporting home page. So this is my home divine page. So home page, yeah. So on my home page level, I'm going to be returning h1 home page. So let's have this to be home page, then close the h1. Then after that, we have the paragraph, generate a lorem. Yeah, so we have a lorem for the home page. Okay, so now this has been exported automatically. So I'm going to copy this home page, go to the app.js, so over here I'm going to be pointing this home page file into this place. So instead of returning what we have here, we are going to be returning the home page. So to do that, I think it's in the it's in the index.js. So let's go to the index.js. Now as you can see, this is the app, this is the entry point for the app. So we can either do it here or return it over here. So let me return it over here, so instead of doing it over there. So I'm going to clear everything we have here. Let me delete all this, delete. So I'm going to return home. So let me import it home. There's an auto import, so enter is going to import that for me. So return what? Return home. Save. Okay, as you can see, it is working. Awesome, this is great. So now let me take it down a bit so that we can see the screen very well. Let me take it down a bit. Now let me try to change the context. So I'm going to go to my component now. Don't forget, we define this component by ourselves. So let's try to use a style. On a normal HTML coding, we use something like style, and the style will be a kind of string. But in this case, it is not like that. This is an object style. So in this case, I'm going to be having padding. So let me add padding 20. So don't worry about pixel. As you can see, we have the padding added. Awesome. So let's add text align. So A will be imagine my co-pilot automatically had that for me. Now we have it centered. This is awesome. So now let's try to add a button. Show alerts. So let's show an alert. So this is a button, a simple button. The button is cool. Let me style the button. Let me add some style, background blue. Okay, let's add a text. So color of white, color white. Okay, then let's give it a padding 10 pixel. Okay, let's take out the outline none. I don't need an outline, none. Okay, so border, let's take out the border. I don't need the border, so border will be none, also none. Save. Okay, no more border. So let me add a border radius. So border radius, which is going to be let's give it 10. Okay, so I think this is cool. So let me set the cursor to be pointer, so we have something. Yeah, awesome. So whenever we click this button, we want to make an alert. It's going to show an alert above, hello. So let's do that. So I'm going to take it down. So let me close this sidebar, since it's just a test code for us. So I'm going to create a method here, a simple function. So this function is going to be let hello is equals to, then accept a function, a simple function. So hello, so I'm going to say alert hello world. Let's just say hello world. So don't forget, this is just a basic project. Hello world. Oh, sorry. Okay, save. Then I'm going to reference this guy over here. So I'm going to point an on click function. So I'm going to point to this dot undo. No, not that way. It is like this, I'm very sure. Yeah, this way. So this way we have it like this, so it doesn't trigger, because if we point it this way, it's actually going to trigger something. Watch, can you see? It says what? Hello world. It will be clicking itself, so we need to just make it a reference. So once we pass the reference to it, it's going to see it as a reference. So by the time we click on show alert, it's going to what? See hello world. Awesome. So this is how to create a simple React project, a simple React JS project. Very simple. So in the next section of this project, we are going to be looking on what to achieve with it. You can comment below, what do you think we should do with the React JS? What do you think we should do? Should we connect WordPress API to it, or what? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so thank you so much for taking your time to check this short tutorial. See you in the next one, and do comment what you want me to do with these React.js projects, so we can know what to dive into in the next section. Okay, bye.